An Angola man who is accused of stabbing his sister and mother went before a judge today.
He has been charged with murder and attempted murder. We first told you about it on First News Sunday. News Channel 15's Lamar Holliday continues our coverage tonight with more on exactly what happened. Lamar.
Well, Mark and Heather, the Steuben County coroner has ruled a homicide in this case. It was his sister who investigators say he killed by stabbing her. His mother was stabbed too, but is expected to be okay. Now the prosecutor is doing everything he can to bring justice to this family.
This was the home of Linda, Paige, and Jeffrey Pepler, a family unit that's no more, all thanks to Jeffrey Pepler, according to police.
Mr. Pepler was observed with blood on both of his hands. He was immediately handcuffed, taken into custody at that point.
As police searched this house on the 3000 block of North 100 West, they found Linda, Jeffrey's mother, with stab wounds. Investigators then found his sister Paige, who was dead at the scene. Linda Pepler was taken to a Fort Wayne hospital and is expected to be okay, which is excellent news for the prosecutor.
You have a first-hand account of what actually happened within the residence that evening, and you have an eyewitness that has a story and will be able to tell that story to potentially a jury now.
Jeffrey Pepler went before a judge today for his initial hearing. The judge asked if he had any physical or mental disabilities that could make it difficult for him to understand questions. He replied that he's bipolar, has PTSD, and has been admitted to a mental hospital but is able to answer questions. Jeremy Musser with the prosecutor's office says this is something they will have to examine before his case goes to trial.
The prosecuting attorney's office and law enforcement will be looking at every avenue, and that'll include any type of mental deficiencies or illnesses Mr. Pepler had that could possibly be relevant to the offense.
The prosecutor requested no bond for Pepler in court today. That motion was granted, and Mark and Heather, he is due back in court next month.
All right, thank you, Lamar.